All right, guys, we got a real clean Cub Cadet here. We all know Cub Cadet makes a good homeowner mower. They make some good commercial mowers, but most of them that we see is homeowner. This is a upper end homeowner, so it's got a little bit bigger motor on it than some of them do. I think this is a 21 horse, but it doesn't actually have the badging on it. Sorry, it's a Briggs & Stratton's. Not the bottom grade and not the top commercial grade. It's their medium grade. They still call it commercial, but it's the medium grade motor. Good tires on this thing. It's got the big front casters with the rocker front end on it to help with support when you're driving. 50-inch deck. Nice straight clean deck on it. Good seat, not cracked or anything like that. Still got a good grass chute on it. I'll fire this baby up and show you guys how she runs. Oh, gotta have the e-brake on. Gotta unchoke it. Real smooth running motor. No vibrations or weird noises or anything like that. I'll rev it up for you. Turn this e-brake off. Deck adjustment on this is right here. Lower that deck down a little bit. Put it a little bit low so we can actually see. Grass is a little tall, but it's brown, so it's hard to see when we cut it. Blade. Good smooth operating deck, not vibrating or making noises that it shouldn't be making. Forward, back, left, right. Cut a couple rows here for you. Hopefully you can see that well there. Disengage the blades. See, it doesn't shake or vibrate when you disengage. Nice smooth deck. Nice clean mow. This thing's got good ground speed. You know, it's faster than your average homeowner. Not quite as fast as, you know, your bigger commercial ones, but definitely a nice little mower here. I'll idle it back down for you. This thing runs real smooth. Good mower right here.